In Chittoor district, a horrific road accident occurred, claiming the lives of 4 people and leaving 22 others seriously injured. And the incident took place early in the morning near Gangasagaram on the outskirts of Chittoor. A private travel bus en route from Tirupati to Madurai lost control and collided with a stationary tipper lorry, and the bus then skidded for about 20 feet and crashed into a power pole at a road construction site. The electric pole pierced through the bus, resulting in the death of 4 passengers on the spot, and the injured were immediately rushed to hospitals in Vellore and Narav. Authorities have registered a case and are investigating the incident. Chittoor district collector visited the government hospital to gather details and directed medical staff to provide better treatment to victims. And Minister Ram Prasad Reddy expressed sorrow over the incident, extended condolences to the families of the deceased, and urged authorities to provide the best possible medical aid to the injured. He also advised caution while travelling on the roads.
அட்மிஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க உங்களை வாட் போறீங்களா இல்ல நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வார்டுக்கு போங்க அங்க போய் நீங்க ரெஸ்ட் எடுங்க அண்ணா இல்ல அது ஒரு ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் வருவாங்க இல்லையா
அங்க நேத்தறோம் ஏன் சொல்லுப்பா
அது ஸ்கிரீன் ஆபரேஷன்
గురు
அட்மிஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க உங்களை வாட் போறீங்களா இல்ல நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வார்டுக்கு போங்க அங்க போய்